James Franco has tried to walk a very fine line in his response to these allegations. He's handling it in a way that we haven't really seen. It's like he's on two parallel ski tracks. On Sunday night, James Franco received a Golden Globe Award for his performance in The Disaster Artist, a movie that he also directed. It should have been a career highlight for him. But as he was giving his speech, women on Twitter were speaking up, saying that they had had experiences with him that made them uncomfortable, including in movies that he directed them in or in relationships that they may have had with him. Since the Golden Globes, James Franco has made several public appearances. He's been all over late-night TV, ostensibly to promote his movie, but the hosts have asked him instead about some of these accusations.
The things that I heard that were on Twitter are not accurate, but I completely support people coming out and being able to have a voice. I have my own side of this story, but I believe in, these people that have been underrepresented, getting their stories out enough that I will, hold back things that I could say just because I believe in it that much.
His response to these allegations is sort of playing out in real time, even more so than some of the other men who've been accused in the last few months. All of this stuff is happening in public view. On the one hand, he's saying he's a supporter of Time's Up, the organization that Hollywood women started to combat sexual harassment. And on the other hand, he's saying that the behavior he's accused of is not accurate. So he's really trying to play both sides.
How do we use this moment?
Now we have the chance to be heard.
End abuse and sexual harassment.
Having as many women behind the cameras.
I think a lot of people noticed at the Golden Globes that women made really powerful statements about Time's Up and Me Too, and men were mostly silent. I think, this sort of illustrates why not only might some men be afraid of saying the wrong thing, but I think some men might be afraid of what skeletons might come out of their closet if they do speak up.
It does feel like a very, very historic night, and yeah, it's powerful.